In this video, we show how to replace an E3 drive in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To remove the E3 drive, slide the release button to open the release handle, then pull the carrier out. Remove the screws on both sides and slide the E3 drive out. To install the E3 drive, slide in its place and tighten the screws. To install the E3 drive, slide it into the drive slot until it connects with the backplane. Then close the release handle to lock it into place. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.